Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to fold a traditional origami boat. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering a new one every single week. The traditional origami boat, it's well known and everyone knows how to fold it. It's the boat that's usually depicted in Asian films or anime. I don't even know when I learned how to fold this origami boat. I just know that I learned it at a really young age. So today, let's recap on how to fold this traditional origami boat. With that said, let's enjoy the clip. Open the boat out and we're done. Here you have the traditional origami boat. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes, click right for more awesome origami like this.